Okay students, if you remember last time we created a dot. Today we will learn how to make line by joining dots. For this we have to open Microsoft Paint. If you can see it from the list, you can click it there, or you can click on the search bar and type paint and click on the paint. Now we are ready to make the dots, and by joining them we will learn how to make lines. Let's start by clicking on the brush style called brush, and let's go and click on the size, the thicker one. Then let's make a dot like we have done it last time. Start from the top left corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go and make these 4 dots on the new line. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's enough. Now we are going to join the dots. Go to the first dot that you have made and click on it and drag it to the next dot slowly. Yes. Click and drag it to the next dot. Yes. Sometimes when you try to make the line, you might make a mistake by making a zigzag line. The main thing is drag the first dot, click on the first dot and drag it and put it on the next one. The more you exercise, so that you will have the chance to make the line. Yes. So this is how you make the line. Dots, 2 dots, then join them. Yes. 2 dots and join them. Can you exercise this? Thank you. So make the dots and join them. That's how you make the line.